Unlock your future at our November Seminar Marathon. Join us on November 14th from 1 p.m. to 5 p.m. We'll cover 3 PR-related courses: Cookery, Construction, and Engineering Draftsperson. Get expert guidance on the best study and migration pathways. Learn about study and migration options, skills assessments, and real case studies for each occupation. Plus, enjoy a free one-on-one consultation with a migration agent. Just make sure to book your spot. And as a special bonus, attendees will receive a 20% discount voucher for our skilled visa services. Don't miss out on course options and scholarships up to $1,000 to help you get started on your journey. Seize this opportunity. Register now for our November Seminar Marathon and take the first step toward your PR success.